Good afternoon. Today my presentation is about the morality promotes China's socialist market economy. Economy is not just a phenomenon and concept of pure materials and activities such as input, output, and benefits. Human subjective factors such as ethics and morality are objective economic factors that cannot be ignored. But how the morality support and promote China's socialist market economy? First, let me do a brief introduction. There is a very close and two-way demand relationship between economy and morality. The food problem, medicine problem, and engineering problem that have emerged in the economic field in recent years all shows the role of morality cannot be ignored in the economic development. Once moral problem occur, our economic development will be hugely affected. In the basis of elaborating China's socialist market economy, I will focus on a comprehensive analysis of the moral standard for the four aspects, which are efficiency, justice, freedom, and integrity. These are the four factors of the moral standard, but because of the limited time of presentation, I will choose one of them to do introduction, which is efficiency. Since the reform and opening up, improving economic efficiency has become the consensus of the whole society in the past 40 years. Sorry. The reform and improvement of China's political and economic system have been carried out around improving efficiency. And we need to chase not only Pareto efficiency, which concludes production, exchange, and distribution efficiency, but also we need to pay attention to the objective efficiency brought by free competition and realize the improvement of the whole social efficiency through government regulation. And after talking about the standard of moral, there are four features and characteristics of moral economic values. The first one is humanist, and second is focus on integrated training, which is very familiar to the last one. And the second is to advocate resource conservation and environmental friendliness. And the last one is taking the economic subject's active responsibility to society as an important sign. And these pictures show some cases of unethical economics, such as Sanlu milk powder, online freight, and fake transactions. This bad behavior not only cause panic among consumers, but are also very detrimental to China's economic development. If both parties of the transaction lose trust, it will be terrifying. So that's why we need to keep morality in the economic development of the Chinese. Why ethics affect economy? There are some keywords in the table. The first one is the speed of economic development depends on the level of productivity development. And then the advanced level of labor tools is also an important indicator of the level of productivity. Marx said that machines are dead productivity forces, but social productive forces can be formed only by activating the machine as a subjective productive person. And morality is the foundation and core content of spiritual productivity or subjective productivity. The core element of productivity is the labor, and the moral consciousness of the labor directly affect their labor values and attitudes, and ultimately directly determines the labor result and productivity level. Therefore, morality is a special power of economic development because it can promote and support the productivity of labors. The next question I will explain why and how Chinese companies use morality to drive their economic development. First, good products depends on moral content. For enterprises to obtain more profits, products quality is the key. It determines the market share and sales speed of products, which in turn affects the realization of corporate profits and their growth, which will directly affect the speed of economic development. The second is that the product cost depends on the moral consciousness of the workers. For enterprises to obtain more profit and benefits, shortening the labor time of unit of products and reducing costs is the key. This requires enterprises to create a harmonious atmosphere, reducing unnecessary friction, consumption, and waste of time. Efficiency effectively shorten the individual labor time of unit products and also will enhance the market competitiveness of enterprise products. The third one is to improve market credibility, depends on ethical management. The social credibility of an enterprise is the source of the company's continuous expansion of market share and more profit. However, the improvement of corporate credibility depends on the improvement of moral standards. In the era of smart economy, the importance of morality as a factor of capital is more prominent. In fact, on the one hand, morality can become a means of profit for capital. On the other hand, it is an internal judgment of capital. And here's a picture which shows the balanced relationship between justice, ethics, moral economy, how they affect each others, and the two-way relationships. That's all. Thanks for listening. Hope you have a good day.